Hey future farmers, get ready for a whirlwind tour of the coolest critters around. First up, meet the cows, gentle giants, who remind us to appreciate the simple things. Oink, oink, it's piggy time. These smart porkers teach us to find joy in the little things. Now let's bar with the sheep, fluffy friends who show us strength and unity. Cluck, cluck, say hi to the chickens. Hard work and patience pay off with these excellent pals. Neigh, neigh, here come the horses. Chase your dreams, just like these majestic beauties. Quack, quack, it's duck time. Splash around and enjoy life's puddles with these cheerful quackers. Ba ba, time to jump with the goats. Adventure awaits with these playful climbers. Woof woof, meet the farm's guardians, the loyal dogs. Friendship is their specialty. Meow meow, don't forget the cats. Graceful and independent, they land on their feet every time. And hop hop, here come the rabbits. These adorable hoppers remind us to be gentle and kind. Ready for this farm-tastic journey? Let's go explore together. Cows are truly fascinating creatures, and one of the most intriguing aspects of their biology is their unique digestive system. Unlike humans, who have a single-chambered stomach, cows have a complex, four-chambered stomach. These chambers are called the rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. Each chamber plays a specific role in the digestion process, allowing cows to efficiently break down and extract nutrients from the tough plant material they consume, such as grass and hay. One of the most remarkable abilities of cows is their ability to regurgitate and rechew their food, a process known as chewing the cud. This allows them to further break down the fibrous plant material and extract even more nutrients, ensuring that they get the most out of their diet. So, the next time you see a cow peacefully grazing in a field, remember that it's not just eating grass, it's engaging in a complex and fascinating digestive process. Another remarkable aspect of cows is their keen sense of smell. While humans might not think of cows as having particularly acute senses, they actually have a highly developed olfactory system. In fact, cows can detect scents from miles away, thanks to their sensitive noses. This ability is crucial for their survival in the wild, where they need to be able to detect predators or sources of food from a distance. Even on the farm, a cow's sense of smell serves important purposes, such as finding the best grazing spots or identifying familiar herd members. So, the next time you see a cow twitching its nose, remember that it's not just sniffing the air. It's tapping into one of its most powerful senses to navigate its environment. Did you know that cows have best friends? That's right. Cows are social animals that form close bonds with other members of their herd. Research has shown that cows are capable of forming strong emotional connections with certain individuals, much like humans do with their friends. These bonds can have a significant impact on a cow's well-being, affecting everything from its stress levels to its overall health. In fact, studies have found that cows who are separated from their best friends can experience signs of distress, such as increased heart rate and vocalizations. So, the next time you see a group of cows huddled together, remember that they're not just standing around. They're spending time with their closest companions, forging bonds that are just as meaningful to them as friendship is to us. Have you ever noticed that every cow has a unique pattern of spots? Just like human fingerprints, these patterns are entirely individual to each cow and can be used to identify them. This unique feature not only makes each cow special, but also serves practical purposes on the farm. Farmers can use these distinctive patterns to keep track of their cows, whether it's for medical records, breeding purposes, or simply to ensure that each cow gets the care and attention it needs. So, the next time you see a herd of cows, take a closer look. You might be surprised by the beautiful array of patterns and colours that adorn their coats, each one telling a unique story of identity and individuality. Communication is key, even for cows. While they might not speak our language, cows have their own unique way of communicating with each other. One of the most common forms of communication among cows is mooing, a vocalization that can convey a wide range of emotions and messages. From the gentle lowing of a mother cow calling to her calf to the loud bellowing of a bull asserting his dominance, mooing plays a crucial role in cow society. In addition to vocalizations, cows also use body language, such as ear position and tail movements, to convey information to each other. So, the next time you hear a cow mooing in the distance, remember that it's not just making noise. It's engaging in a rich and complex form of communication that helps to maintain social order within the herd. Pig, oink, oink! Get ready to meet the pigs, the playful pranksters of the farmyard. These clever critters are not just known for their love of mud baths and tasty treats, but also for their remarkable intelligence. Did you know that pigs are as smart as some of our furry friends, like dogs? Let's dive into the delightful world of pigs and uncover more fun facts about these snorting superstars. Pigs are highly intelligent animals, often compared to dogs in terms of intelligence. They have an excellent sense of smell, which they use to find food buried underground. Pigs are social creatures and form close bonds with other pigs in their group. They love to play and can even be trained to perform tricks, similar to dogs. Contrary to popular belief, pigs are actually quite clean animals and prefer not to soil their living areas. Now let's talk about sheep. Did you know that sheep have excellent memories? They can remember faces of up to 50 other sheep for years. They're also known for their cozy wool, perfect for making warm clothes. Sheep have panoramic vision, allowing them to see predators from almost any angle. They have an amazing memory and can remember faces of up to 50 other sheep for years. Sheep have a unique way of communicating through various vocalizations, including bleating. They have a strong herding instinct and feel safer when in a group. Sheep are excellent climbers and can navigate steep terrain with ease. Cluck, cluck, here come the chickens. Chickens are not only famous for their delicious eggs, but also for their unique way of communication. They have over 30 different vocalizations to express themselves. Chickens have a complex social structure within their flock, with a designated pecking order. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including clucking, cackling, and crowing. Chickens have excellent color vision and can see a wide range of colors. They are capable of recognizing over 100 different individuals, including humans and other chickens. Contrary to popular belief, chickens are quite intelligent and can learn from their experiences. Say hello to the graceful horse. Horses are incredible athletes and can run faster than most animals. They also have the largest eyes of any land mammal and can see almost 360 degrees around them. Horses have the largest eyes of any land mammal and can see almost 360 degrees around them. They communicate with each other through body language, facial expressions, and vocalizations. Horses are social animals and form strong bonds with their herd members. They have a unique way of sleeping called standing sleep, where they can doze off while standing up. Horses have excellent memories and can remember past experiences, both positive and negative. Woof, woof! Who's a good boy? Dogs are not only our loyal companions, but also great helpers on the farm. They can herd sheep, guard the livestock, and even sniff out hidden treasures. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell, capable of detecting scents that are imperceptible to humans. They are highly social animals and form strong bonds with their human companions. Dogs are incredibly loyal and protective, often risking their own lives to save their owners. They have a wide range of vocalizations, including barking, growling, whining, and howling. Dogs are intelligent animals and can be trained to perform a variety of tasks, from fetching to herding to search and rescue. Meow! Let's not forget about our furry feline friends. Cats may be small, but they're mighty hunters. They help keep the farm free of mice and other pests. Cats have retractable claws, which they use for climbing, hunting, and self-defense. They have a unique purring sound that they make when they're content or relaxed. Cats are excellent hunters and have been known to catch mice, birds, and other small animals. They are crepuscular animals, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. Cats have a keen sense of balance and are skilled climbers, often exploring high places for fun. Quack, quack! It's time to meet the adorable ducks. Ducks love water and are fantastic swimmers. They even have waterproof feathers to keep them dry while they paddle around. Ducks have waterproof feathers due to a special oil that they spread over their feathers. They have a unique quack that varies in tone and pitch depending on their mood. Ducks are omnivores and have a varied diet that includes insects, plants, and small fish. They have webbed feet, which make them excellent swimmers. Ducks are highly adaptable birds and can be found in a wide range of habitats, from ponds to rivers to coastal areas. Here come the mischievous goats. Goats are excellent climbers and can jump over 6 feet high. They're also known for their adventurous and curious personalities. Goats are excellent climbers and can jump over 6 feet high. They have rectangular pupils, which give them a wide field of vision and excellent depth perception. Goats have a unique way of communicating through bleats, which vary in tone and intensity. They are curious and adventurous animals, often exploring their surroundings and getting into mischief. Goats have a strong herding instinct and prefer to be with other goats rather than alone. Last but not least, we have the cute rabbits. Did you know that rabbits have over 17,000 taste buds? No wonder they love munching on carrots and other tasty treats. Rabbits have large, powerful hind legs that allow them to run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. They have a unique way of communicating through various vocalizations, including grunts, honks, and purrs. Rabbits are social animals and enjoy the company of other rabbits. They have a special digestive system that allows them to eat their own feces to extract more nutrients from their food. Rabbits are prolific breeders and can produce multiple litters of babies each year. And there you have it, young farmers-to-be, the top 10 most adorable farm animals. We hope you enjoyed learning all about these fascinating creatures. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and educational videos. Bye for now.